Namaskara. Today we'll be learning about Surya Namaskars. So there are many variations of Surya Namaskars, but today we'll be learning the Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar, which is the basic which any age group can do. But there are certain things that we need to keep in mind. So although Surya Namaskars are like a wholesome set of asanas, certain people should avoid or do it with certain precautions. So people staying in really hot climates, humid climates should avoid this because Surya Namaskar naturally are very heat producing set of asanas, right? So people with problems such as acidity, heartburns, or women who are in their menstrual cycles or are pregnant should definitely avoid this or do it under certain guidance. Alright, so we'll start with the postures, and I have given you slight variations in the second set, which people who are already practicing or want to challenge themselves a little more could, do a slight variation, slight tweak in one of the asanas. So let's get started. Always stand in front of your mat. Push your stomach in, back straight. Both the hands in front of your chest. Breathe in. Both your hands up and back, arm besides your ears, not in front, exactly besides your ears. And bend as much as you're comfortable. Breathe out, bend forward. Take your head towards your knees, body weight forward, right leg back. Make sure your left leg is in between your hands. Let your knee not cross your toes. It should be right angle. Breathe in. Both your legs together. Take a tiny step ahead. Mountain posture. Head down, stomach in. Drop your knees, chest and chin on the ground before your hands. Stomach up. Breathe in, come up in Bhujangasana, elbows closer to your body, shoulders relaxed. Push your palms, come up into mountain posture once again, heels on the ground. Breathe in, right leg in front. Breathe out, both your legs together, head down. Breathe in, both your hands up and back, open up your chest, arms beside your ears. Breathe out, bring your hands down. We'll start the second round. Namaste. 2, breathe in. Breathe out. 3. Breathe in. 4, left leg back. 5, mountain posture, heels on the ground, head down. 6, drop your knees, chest and chin. 7, Bhujangasana, elbows closer to your body. 8, mountain posture, heels on the ground. 9, left leg in front, push your hips down. 10, both your legs together, head down. 11, both your hands up, open up your chest. And 12, relax. We'll start with second set. Namaste. 2, 3, 4 right, 5, we'll do plank position with slight variation. Drop your knees, chest and chin, up Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, right leg in front, push your hips, both your legs together, head down, bring your hands up, open up your chest and relax. Second round, second set. Namaste. 2, 3, 4 left. 5, plank position. 6, drop your knees, chest, chin. 7, 8, 9, left leg in front. 10, both your legs together, head down. 11, open up your chest. And 12, relax. You can continue with more rounds, and once you're done, you may lie down on your back, open up your palms, relax your legs, relax in Shavasana. Always remember that post Yog Nidra or relaxation, always turn to your right side before you get up to avoid any injuries to the spine. So, certain people might question that if we stay in a hot and humid climate, or we have high body heat, should we avoid it altogether? No. There are some things that I said earlier could add on or tweak a little to make sure that you get the benefit of the asanas. At the same time, it's not giving you any negative effect of them. So what you can do is post Surya Namaskars, you can do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, right? It will balance both the channels of your body. It is explained elaborately in the video of Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. And you need to rest post the Surya Namaskars, right? So you need to lie down and do Yog Nidra, which will help you relax the entire system before you get back to your routine, right? So the cooling off is really, really important after you do Surya Namaskars to really get the whole effect of Surya Namaskars. Yeah, you don't want to feel drained out, but you want to feel energized and refreshed. That's what you will feel if you do it in a proper way, following all the steps. Okay, all the best to you. Do check out the other videos.